Hi, birdie. Oops. That's really cute. It's blue? I think he's lonely. Hi, birdie. Hi. He's so cute, hon. Oh, there's a cat, a black cat over there. Oh, he's gone. Goodbye. Oh, he's back. Oh, he's back, huh? Look. Did you remember that one bird got hurt because she hit the glass window? And I told you that we'll adopt her, but you don't want to.
Full of bugs.
Full of bugs. No, she looks sick because she got hurt. She get hurt. Hi, bluebird. Hi. Oh.
Maybe it's a baby bluebird. No?
Oh. Oh, he's back.
He likes that spot.
I know. Hi. He looks cold.